Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the TK Custom Smith & Wesson Moon Clips for a Smith & Wesson 5-shot J-frame revolver chambered in 38 Special or 357 Magnum. So I bought it off of Amazon, and here it is. And as you can see, Smith & Wesson TK .20, that's the model, .020, that's the model of the moon clip, and I'll show you that in just 1 second. And here you have the .357 and the .38, which are the calibers that it works with. And these engravings are just to make sure you don't mess up your you don't mix up your moon clips and your revolvers. Check out the moon clip. They give you this nice chart in which you can select the model of the moon clip depending on the thickness of it. And you have to choose different models because the rim of the cartridges are different across the manufacturers and across their models of ammunition. So on the chart, on the left hand side, you have the different models of the moon clip. On the top, you have the cartridges or the different ammunition you're going to use. So you have to select which ammunition you're going to use. You go down the list and you see these numbers, which are the ratings. So you want something in between 2.5 and 3.5 because that's the best fit. That's going to be the best fit for your revolver. And then you go to the left column and you see which model you need to use. So I'm going to be using a Federal 38 Special, and I chose this .20 thickness stainless steel moon clip model.
Moon clips were shipped promptly and arrived within a week. So this is how they delivered them to my mailbox. Let's open them. I'm excited. Let me see. So as you can see, they come in a set of 5, which is expected. Kind of what the thickness is kind of what I expected, and this is the revolver for which I bought them. As you can see, it's already pre-cut from the factory for the moon clips. If your revolver is not pre-cut, then you have an option of shipping your revolver to TK Customs and they can cut it for you. I think they'll charge you some fee, I don't know. Since mine is pre-cut, I didn't have to do that. So let me see how they fit. As you can see, it fits the pre-cut grooves perfectly, and they match with the color of my revolver and the cylinder, so I like them. The cylinder goes back, and I'm just trying a dry shoot, and we can eject them very easily. I'm satisfied with this. I'll shoot a video of how to put the rounds in these grooves, how to carry them, and I'll post a shooting video of these clips also. If you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.